Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel Shrivastava Girl, and today I'm going to tell you that how can we change our ringtone in our mobile phone. So let's start, but before starting please hit the bell icon, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share this video to your friends. So now let's start. So firstly, go to the settings. Here is all the settings, and in settings you can go to the apps and open Ghana app. Yeah, so open. Let's open. You can also use any other app like Geo 7, but if you are using this app, look, if you want to like this, I'm choosing this song. You want this song to be your ringtone, so here 3 dot given, press that 3 dot here, dim light song, that is, then here share, like, dislike, download, set as a caller tune, add to playlist, player settings, play similar songs, view album, dim light. So we want it to our ringtone, means caller tune. So you need to send an SMS from your Geo number to set the caller tune. Standard operator charges apply. So yeah, continue. You have read it. So yeah, dim light, send it. Send. Okay. Now this is the message from entertainment. Is the first song is dim light. So click on first. Send. Now because we want it to be all callers, so send 1. Here we got a message. We have to send here Y. Send. Now message came that your Geo Tunes service has been activated on your Geo number. This valid till this, charges this, detective ₹0 to detective. Please call or SMS stop to this or this. Okay, so yeah, this is all of today's videos. Please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe. Yeah, we have also got this message, so please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share this video. तब तक के लिए stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.